Hey everyone, if you're selling services online, you need a link-in-bio tool to share your work easily. Today we're comparing Linktree, Beacons, and Taplink to find the best one for you. Let's dive in. First, Linktree. It's super simple and popular. You create a page with links to your services, social media, or booking sites. It's easy to set up, great for beginners, and has a free plan. You can add payment links like PayPal or Square, but you can't sell directly on the page. It's best for quick setups and basic linking. Next, Beacons. This one's a powerhouse for creators. You can build a custom page with links, a store to sell services, and even a calendar for bookings. It has cool tools like email marketing and analytics to track clicks. Beacons take a 9% cut on sales with the free plan, but it's packed with features for growing your business. Now, Taplink. Taplink is all about flexibility. You can make a page with links, forms, and shop to sell services directly. It has tons of templates, no sales fees, and supports over 50 payment providers. It's great for making your page look unique and handling payments smoothly. So how do they compare? Ease of use. Linktree wins for being simplest to set up. Beacons and Taplink take a bit more time but offer more features. Customization. Taplink has the most templates and design options. Beacon is close behind with AI-driven tools. Linktree is more basic but still clean. Who's the winner? Linktree is best for beginners who want something quick and free. Beacons is great for creators needing tools like email marketing and analytics. Taplink is the top pick for selling services thanks to its flexibility, no fees, and payment options. Pick the one that fits your vibe. Thanks for watching and let us know your favorite in the comments. Like and subscribe for more videos.